Meaning of Docker.
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 Docker. Docker is a platform that allows developers to easily create, deploy, and run applications in containers. Containers are lightweight, standalone, and executable packages of software that contain all the necessary components to run an application, such as code, libraries, and dependencies. Docker simplifies the deployment process by providing a consistent environment for the application to run in, regardless of the underlying infrastructure. This increases efficiency, reduces overhead, and eliminates compatibility issues. Overall, Docker offers a streamlined solution for application management, making it a popular choice for modern software development.